In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner in your Brother laser printer, and you can follow this for any laser printer. Go to the printer control panel and click on the menu button. Click on the general setup. Scroll down. Select replace toner. We have to open the ink chamber, so lift this section from here. Also lift this front door. Take the toner out. So that's our old ink toner. Take your new ink toner, take it out of the plastic packaging and remove this seal. We have to install it here. If you have a chip, make sure it is facing down where it should be matching, and then place it here and slide it in. Once you hear a little lock sound, that means we have installed it properly. Close it and also close this section. Wait for the ink toner to warm up. It's ready and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.